The earthquake that killed 6,434 people in 20 seconds. January 17, 1995, 5:46 a.m., Kobe, Japan. People are sleeping. Then the ground rips apart. 6.9 magnitude earthquake, 20 seconds of shaking. That's all it took. Highways collapse mid-air. Buildings pancake. Fires break out across the city. 6,434 people dead, most crushed in their sleep. 300,000 homeless overnight. Japan thought it was ready. Best building codes in the world. Earthquake drills since kindergarten. Didn't matter. 20 seconds erased a city. The Kobe earthquake changed how the world builds. Every skyscraper since designed because of what happened this day. January 17,